Hello everyone, my name is Fachrizal Ardiansyah, NBIN 14621000137. And now I'm going to teach you how to turn off the power button or sleep button on a laptop keyboard. Why am I teaching you this? Because often our friends are playing with our keyboard, joking, and press the power button on our laptop, or even we ourselves accidentally press it. For example, on my own laptop keyboard, there are two buttons, sleep button and power button. And when the power button is pressed once, the laptop will turn off, or sleep. So to avoid that, I'll tell you how to do it. So first, you need to run your laptop, of course, and then second, right click in here on the battery icon on the taskbar. Then next, click power option. Then the power option window will come out. Next, choose what the power buttons do in the left side here. After that, change the sleep option here to do nothing. Nothing. This. So change it. Then click save change. Finally, our laptop will not turn off when the power button or sleep button is pressed. So when your friend is joking, play with your laptop keyboard and accidentally press it, our laptop is not turned off anymore. Okay, that's it. So when I press this button OK, my laptop won't turn off. Thank you. I hope this tutorial is useful for you. See you.